filming?
Mm-hmm. Was that the camera?
No, that was the bullet.
No.
Yeah, I think so.
They didn't do anything.
Holy shit.
What the
Your
hell?
phone's indestructible.
How did I break it then?
I don't know.
Just shoot it. No one...
Here, I'm gonna shoot this way.
You're hitting the leaves over there.
How is the bullet making that noise? That was loud.
Damn. I swear to God, if one of these things could hit me, I'm gonna be pissed. That's out. It didn't even do anything to it.
Okay, hit the music button. I wasn't aiming for the screen. I was pretty much aiming for that because I know it won't do anything to the screen.
Look.
Shit. Dude, what the F? LG chocolates are indestructible. There you go.
For a crappy phone like this, it is indestructible, I'll give it that. And if I had the battery in it, I'd show you how badly the screen screwed up.